Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing a very yummy mango cheesecake recipe. Grind 90 grams of Marie biscuits into powder. Melt 45 grams of unsalted butter. Add the melted butter to the ground biscuits. Mix well. I'm using a 18 cm spring foam pan for this recipe. Grease the spring foam pan with oil. Place parchment paper on it. Grease it with oil. Transfer the ground biscuits into it. Spread it evenly. Press using a small bowl. Place the springform pan into the freezer for 10 minutes. In this bowl I have little more than 1/8 cup of water. Here I have 8 grams of gelatin. Here I am adding this water to the gelatin. Mix it well. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Then melt it in the microwave. In a bowl add 150 grams of cream cheese at room temperature. Add 1/8 cup plus 1 tablespoon of castor sugar. Beat it. Add half cup of mango pulp. Beat it. Add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Beat it. Mix using a spatula. Add little mango essence. Mix. In a bowl add half cup of whipping cream. Beat till soft peaks form. Add the melted gelatin at room temperature to the cream cheese mixture. Beat it. Add the whipped cream and fold it into the cream cheese mixture. Add little lime juice. Mix. Pour the mixture into the springform pan. Tap the springform pan. Cover it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. In a bowl add 8 grams of gelatin. Add 1/8 cup of water. Mix it well. Keep aside to let it bloom. In a saucepan, add half cup of mango pulp, add half of 1/3 cup of castor sugar, mix it, add 1/8 cup of water, mix well, place it on medium flame, stir continuously. Once it begins to boil, switch off the flame. Add the soaked gelatin, mix well till the gelatin is dissolved. Stir till it cools. After 2 hours, remove the springform pan from the refrigerator. Remove the plastic wrap. Pour the cool mixture in the springform pan. Tap the springform pan. Cover it with the plastic wrap. Refrigerate it for 6 to 7 hours. Then remove the plastic wrap. Dip a towel in hot water. Cautiously squeeze it. Place it on the sides of the springform pan for a few seconds. Run a knife around the cheesecake. Unlock the springform pan. Transfer the cheesecake along with the base of the springform pan onto a plate. Our yummy mango cheesecake is now ready. You can decorate it as per your choice. If you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.